Hello, musicians and music lovers. Welcome back to our series where we combine creativity with music in Chrome Music Lab. Today we're going to explore the heartbeat of music, rhythm. Let's start by opening our browser and searching for Chrome Music Lab. From the experiments on the main page, we're clicking on our tool for today, rhythm. We're greeted by these cute drumming monkeys. When we click the question mark in the top right, it gives us the basic info. Rhythms are patterns of sound in time. The most common rhythms repeat every 4 beats, but you are free to build your own. In this tool, different characters represent different percussion kits. The monkeys offer us sounds like congas and a triangle. Let's click the arrow on the right to see the other kits. The blue monsters provide a standard drum kit, kick, snare, hi-hat. The horned blue creatures play wooden percussions, woodblock clave. And the red birds give us Latin percussions. Now let's create our first rhythm. We'll start with the monkeys. We place the beats by clicking on the grid below. Each row represents a different instrument, and the columns represent time. Let's start with a simple conga rhythm and add some triangles. It's that easy. Now let's switch to the standard drum kit and write a classic beat. We can create a familiar rock-pop rhythm by adding bass kicks on the bottom row, snares in the middle, and hi-hats on top. Let's continue with the next character. With these wooden sounds, we can create a different, more ethnic rhythm. You can see how placing the beats in different spots instantly changes the feel of the music. Finally, let's create an energetic rhythm with the Latin percussion kit. By adding beats to the different drums and the cowbell, we get a lively tune. We can fill up every instrument to build a rich rhythm. Now let's listen to all the rhythms we've created back to back and enjoy our private concert from these characters. And that's it! Creating your own beats with Chrome Music Lab Rhythm is both super easy and a lot of fun. If you enjoyed this fun experiment and would like to see more interactive content like this to give you new insights, check out what else we have on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications for new videos. See you again soon and thanks for watching.